Hey there! While building a Power BI report, most of us create a few extra pages, maybe for A/B testing or trying out different visualizations. But once the report is finalized, we often don't need all of them. So in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to delete an unwanted page from your Power BI report permanently. Let's get started. Welcome to MadeEasy. My name is Jane, and with our dedicated team, we're here to simplify software learning step by step. You can explore more tutorials just like this one anytime. All right, on the screen, I've opened up a sample Power BI file called Retail Analysis. This report has 3 pages: Store Sales Overview, District Monthly Sale, and New Stores Analysis. Each page has its own visualizations. But let's say we no longer need the New Stores Analysis page. To delete it, head down to the Pages tab at the bottom, right-click on the page you want to remove, and select Delete. Power BI will show a confirmation message, just letting you know this action is permanent. Once you hit Delete, that page and all of its visuals are gone. Now, if you accidentally deleted the wrong page, you can press Undo right away and bring it back, but only until the file is saved. After that, there's no way to recover it. And that's it. A quick and easy way to clean up your report. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple Power BI tips from MadeEasy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.